Thank you.
Thank you, Chairman. Chairman, I am I'm taken aback that this director is not on oath. If you are in Senate, and I'm sure you will tell the senators that you spoke to House of Rep member. How can you sit before us here? You are facing me. You are telling me you informed the senator from my place when you were going to my state. Why are you telling lies? You want me to call him and put him on speaker? Then you said you went to my state, House of Assembly. The whole Nigeria, they are aware. There are 14 members from Edo who have not been sworn in since the beginning of this dispensation. Since 2019, they have not been sworn in. In the whole of my area, we don't have any assembly member. And you said you inform assembly member from my state, and I'm here. And it's my own federal constituency that is swallowed up by the flood. I move a motion concerning my federal constituency, and that is the only way they communicate to you. I don't have any personal relationship with you. I don't have to ask you for anything because I don't need anything from you. But my people, they are part of Nigeria. And I want to put it to you that you people were not appointed to be partial. You swore an oath before you take your office. The way you treat some of us from this area, is that the same way you are treating other people? I am bitter because of the way you have handled this.
Honorable
my state is never recognized. You have never done anything in Edo State. And you call yourself FERMA. Is FERMA not Nigeria? Is it a regional organization?
Honorable Johnson, that's okay.
NEMA, sorry.
Let FERMA not come and sue you. DG, like I said, I